Alright, time to get into some serious stuff. Endpoint security. This would be a beginning of the second volume of this cybersecurity course. While in the first one we focused on discussing hackers and vulnerabilities, as well as demonstrating some of the most common vulnerabilities and how to protect against them, in this volume we will be focusing on endpoint protection and operating system protection. But before we dive into this, let's first explain real quick what even is endpoint security. Well, its name might give us a hint. Essentially, it is security on the endpoints of the network. This means endpoint protection focuses on your devices that are connected to the internet. This can be any device from your laptop, your PC, to your mobile phone or an iPad, and all of these are considered an endpoint devices, and we will focus on different methods and different things to keep an eye on when trying to secure these type of devices. Here is a list of some of the things that we will talk about that are important when it comes to endpoint protection. We will talk about browsers, antiviruses, passwords, file and folder protection, host firewalls, and more things besides this. We will dive deep into details for each of these topics, and we will discuss which methods can be used to make them as hardened as possible. All of these will play a key role to making our device more secure and resistant to outside threats. So without further ado, let's get straight into talking about browsers and how to increase their protection.